There are so many factors to consider when you decide to make a purchase, like price, material, user experience, durability, and more. 11. If one of these factors doesn't suit you, then that particular product is not worth it. Here we provided a detailed guide so that you can choose the best boat fuel line. There are many products available to choose from 3/8 Marine fuel line, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best 3/8 Marine fuel line from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best 3/8 Marine fuel line. Number 1. Attwood Fuel Line Assembly. Includes Attwood award-winning universal sprayless connector, no more dangerous fuel sprays when connecting and disconnecting pressurized lines. Multi-layer low permeation primer bulb with 60% more fuel output compared to competitors. Includes 3/8 inch low permeation fuel hose that resists kinking and hardening, rated up to 100 degrees centigrade. Versatile, compatible with ethanol blended fuels, Mercury brand engines, and tanks. Attwood develops high-value, engineered marine products to make life on the water easier to enjoy. Number 2. Attwood Johnson/Evinrude/OMC Fuel Hose Fitting. Made of durable acetal for dependable performance and peace of mind. Easy installation with barbed fittings for 3/8 inch I.D. interior diameter, hose, purchase hose clamps separately. Extremely versatile, designed for leaded, unleaded, and alcohol-blended fuel. Specifically designed for Johnson/Evinrude/OMC brand engines and tanks. Attwood products are both compatible and reliable, engineered and built with a never-fail attitude. Sport type, fishing. For use with Johnson/Evinrude/OMC brand engines and tanks. Number 3. Fuel Line Assembly. Compatible with ethanol blended fuels, engineered low permeation material prevents fuel evaporation. Note: this is a rubber product. Please do not store this item under direct sunlight or in another rough environment. Universal fuel line, 5/16 of an inch, 8 mm, hose, inside diameter, with 6 feet long line. Premium quality rubber bulb with nylon braided rubber line hose. Stainless steel clamps. One-way valves allow priming in multiple orientations without restricting fuel flow. Number 4. Sunnyglade 6FT Fuel Line Assembly. Universal Marine Fuel Line Outboard Primer Bulb for boats, which both come in a 3/8 bulb/hose. Designed with premium quality rubber material that meets a wide range of temperatures and reinforced durability. This product is great for export, not EPA approved. In addition, built-in check valve, which offers superior resistance to UV, ozone, and ethanol blended fuels. Fuel line dimension, 3/8. Length, 6 feet. The product does not come with an engine or tank fittings, as it is just a universal fuel line. Number 5. Barta Fuel Line Assembly. Compatible with ethanol blended fuels, engineered low permeation material prevents fuel evaporation. The Marine Fuel Line Assembly includes a premium quality rubber bulb, a free primer bulb for you, and 6 feet 3/8 of an inch fuel hose, 360 degrees stainless steel hose clamps. This is a universal fuel line and as such does not come with an engine or tank fittings, suitable for boats, RVs, tractors, and caravans. Keep your fuel line operating at peak performance with our Bartolo Fuel Line Assembly, and ensure your outboard motor runs smoothly. This is a rubber product. Please do not store this item under direct sunlight or in another rough environment. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you wanted to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.